Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be talking about how to create this kind of list and how to create a loading effect like this. Basically, you can say refresh loader looks cool. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, for implementing this, you will have to install a package which is liquid pull to refresh, and the version is 3.0.1. And I'm assuring you one thing that I will put this code and the package details in my description box. You can check and you can use my code in your project according to your requirement. So first of all, this is my array of image. You can choose your own, and inside this I have, first of all, this is stateful widget, and this is my scaffold and the app bar, and then I'm going to code. So after this, the body of scaffold will contain listview.builder, and as we all know that we will have to pass item count. So I'm taking this list dot length and then item builder context and index and then a return container. So inside container we will start making a UI. So I will fast forward this. Height 300, child would be card, and little bit of border radius 15 value, and this is the color. This one is the color, and elevation 5, margin 20 from horizontal, 10 from vertical, then padding, and padding would be 3. So this is the padding, and inside this I will take image for showing this kind of border. Clip rect for providing con radius to image, and then this border radius and image border radius would be 15 also, then child, and this is my image. So assets, and this image value is coming from this API according to this index of the list, and property is box fit fill. And again, what we will do, we will just wrap this list. Till now I will run this hot reload, then my list is ready till now. So for providing that kind of cool loader, we will have to wrap this list inside this liquid pull to refresh. So this is from the package that we have installed earlier, and the height is 200. It means that, let me save this once again. This is the height 200. You can increase or decrease according to your use, and this is the color of the background. This is the color. You can set color from here, and background color will be this loader color. For now I have taken here this color, and animation speed, and I am speed factor, you can increase or decrease. I will show you. Let me change the value to 1. Let me run this. You will see little bit of delay here. Okay, so let me make it to 4. Then you will be able to see the changes. How fast the animation done. Okay, and then show child opacity transition. It is false, that is why my list is also visible while reloading the screen, while refreshing the screen. If I will make this to true, by default it is true. Now I'm making is true, and if I will pull down to refresh, then list is not visible. So you can choose what things you want to perform, and then this on refresh, this is the method that I'm calling. So this one is the method here. This is the method. You can create your own method and perform simple actions here. You want to refresh any list or print anything or want to do your task, you can perform here. So I'm calling here, and when it calls this method, what it will do, it will print refresh done. So let me check whether it call this method or not. After refreshing, let me run this once again, and also let me open the console, and I am refreshing it. Refresh done. It is printing. It means that our method is calling from here. So that's it in this video, and I will put the code on Git and will share the link with you in the description box. Make sure you like and share and subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Hope to see you next time in our next video. Bye for now.